Scott Sprack with PSL, Patrick Sprack Ltd up in Sudbury, Ontario. We're a mechanical company, basically service, but we do construction on an international scale. We work in Alaska, Guatemala, Mongolia, Russia. We started about 9 years ago. Employee-wise, depending on the summer, probably 70 to 80 guys. Right? We've got a fantastic office staff that's about 10 to 12 ladies. When I first started with PSL, it was already an existing business on the construction side. I introduced the service side, and my two partners weren't comfortable with software. They were kind of old school. So in the last 2 years, with the change of personnel you're seeing introduction of a lot of younger people coming into our industry, and you're seeing a lot of the other guys getting to the top end of their career. And what's happening is, by doing that, you've got the young guys that've got the education, the schooling, they have that savvy, that tech savvy that can put the information in. And when you get to the older guys, unfortunately, their penmanship isn't the best. So we were getting complaints by clients saying, I can't read this, I can't read this. People are looking for information as fast as possible, and our clients are exactly the same. So the faster I can get the work order from my tech in the field to our office and back to the client with the information, the happier they are. Jonas was fantastic in dealing with us in trying to find the right handheld device. We've gone to a Samsung Note 4. Right? It integrated perfectly. We have zero to no problems with it. The nice thing about Jonas, it gives us the ability to create different files. So if in our industry I have millwrights, I have gas fitters, I have refrigeration techs, electricians, plumbers, and they're all working on different pieces of equipment. So a generic work order doesn't work for each trade. So what we've done is in-house is we've created a work order that's applicable to the particular task in which they're doing. So what ends up happening now, the guy goes out, so the work order that he has is based on refrigeration. So we're getting better information back from our tech in the field for our client. It's way more accurate, and it looks 10 times more professional. And Jonas, within Jonas, it has that ability to create the different work orders. It allows us to add pictures through the Digio. Our tech in the field, at the second he completes the work order and he hits send, within 3 minutes, it's been reviewed by our dispatcher in the office, and he can look at it and say, you know what, you've missed the serial number, you've missed adding this, you forgot to do this, you never got a signature, don't leave site, right? So that automatically catches the technician to go back, triggers him to say, okay, yeah, I need the serial number, I didn't put the size of the filters or the belts, right? So what we found is it's a huge time saver in us having to go back on non-billable hours.